Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And today we're just gonna eat some mac and cheese with some meat on it. My mom cooked it for me, and we're gonna eat a hot pocket with it. So let's get into it. Inside the hot pocket now.
I love you. I didn't know why my body was moving on its own.
Y'all get the first
My eyes
bite.
blinked way too much.
Silence the cheese on it.
Dyskinesia, a condition that may be related to important medications I take for my bipolar disorder. My fingers moved like we were playing a piano that wasn't there. Tardive dyskinesia can affect different parts of the body. It may also affect people who take medication for depression and schizophrenia. It's a relief to know that today, PD is manageable. Learn more at talkaboutpd.com.
Make sure you follow me on Instagram, TikTok. I did the wrong finger. Instagram, TikTok, and subscribe to this channel.
So we're using a speakerphone in the store. Is that a good idea? One of the ways I do that is to get them out of the They're looking for a bread brush. Garden's getting after you. No. We all see it.
Peekaboo.
We all see it.
Blue Progressive can protect you from becoming your parents, but we can't protect your home and auto when you bundle with us.
Oh yeah, I gotta throw something away. Oh y'all, I'm back from throwing something away. Sorry I had to leave, but y'all have to see my face. Hold on. Yeah, that's better.
No! You cannot keep eating cheese!
I want a knife.
No, you can't keep eating cheese! You want to eat? You want to eat? You're not eating all that cheese! You cannot eat all of that cheese! Yes, cheese! Now, do you want to eat?
I'll be right there, sweetie.
Do you want?
Mr. Munson, we all want the same thing. My sergeant and your wife leave right now, okay?
I'm so tired of what I'm telling you
We'll
what I
lay down
need to
on
do.
that night.
I know what I need to do.
It's on the bed.
Dad, are you
Come on.
also okay?
Yes.
Come on, it's time for night anyway. It's 8 o'clock. Past 8
I've been
o'clock.
asking Mr. Munson if there's anybody that he wants to talk to.
Sorry about my mom.
Like a family member?
Sorry
or
about
a
me.
senior rep?
She was the one yelling.
No,
She doesn't listen
you
to
were
me.
in the camera.
Not really listens to me.
It's alright.
We're listening to you
It's
now,
alright.
Jerry.
Baby.
See, the phone about to die anyway. Come on.
I'm listening to you right now.
Let's try that.
Lay down with them, mama.
Someone requested, this was a very requested video. Someone text me in TikTok and said,
Absolutely, that's what I'm doing now. Now what I need you
do this. So I'm doing it. But I'm about to try something. Mac and cheese.
Why are you still here? Huh? You don't have to be a hero.
And hot pocket.
Here, come on.
He's not gonna hurt me. We love each other.
Don't look back. I'm not going to do that, Karen. First thing
So you said he threatened you twice. When was the first time?
After the Munson indictments, he stopped me in front of the courthouse and said he could throw me down the stairs and crack open my skull. Why didn't you tell us about that? I've been getting threats all year.
All year? So this may have nothing to do with records. When did the threats start? What kind of threats?
Hang-ups, mostly on my cell, from burners, a few texts.
Okay, we're running this through facial recognition. I'm calling intel. Get your security detail.
Was there someone that you trusted? The threat started after I indicted the 3 cops who shot Terrence Reynolds.
I'm calling Benson.
Let me get some cheese.
Yeah, Lieutenant,
Scooped up.
sorry to bother you. We got a situation here. Yeah, well, I have a situation here too. Munson is holding Dot and Lisa in the house, and I think that he's armed. Chief Dot just got here. I'll call you back. Chief,
What the hell is going on? Is Mike okay?
he's so far, he's unhurt. He's doing a close job, and I took the kids to the car, and I think that he pulled a gun.
You think? What, you didn't search him?
His wife told us that she searched the house, and there was absolutely no weapons in there.
He's a CO. These guys always have a job done. Bob O'Brien is the father.
He said that he didn't think it was a good idea to be involved directly.
So helps you and my son with this, Bob. It's good to see you.
Your son's being held to death with my daughter?
God help us both.
Lieutenant Benson, thanks for getting my grandkids out. What's the situation?
We believe that Munson is armed now. Do you know if he has any access to weapons?
No, but I would put anything past this son of a bitch. Has he hurt my daughter?
We don't believe so. As of 10 minutes ago, I spoke with both of them.
Trying to get a visual inside the house is no good place for the
Eating
whole
biscuit.
Got the curtains pulled front and back.
There's another way inside. Side door, back door. We got ESU stack team ready with rams.
Chief, you and I both know what happens if we hit that door, okay? I don't want to take that risk. Not with your son's side, not with your daughter's side.
Start talking. I'll call him.
You can try, but he does not want to talk. Believe me, you can call him.
With all these indictments, Munson's not looking to negotiate his way out.
You know how this goes. You don't start negotiating.
Open door, mouth.
Jerry, I made a mistake and I'm not leaving. I'm not taking my kids. We're a family. We're gonna stay together, okay?
Pardon me. You call that lawyer 8 times. You didn't think I'd notice.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't know what to think.
You're my wife. I tell you what to
Honey, I gotta go get my drink.
Do whatever you say.
Gary, you told me your kids love you. You told me that you were their hero. All right, now I know you love them. You let them go. You made the right choice. But I need you to keep thinking about it. Okay, you want to see them grow up. They need you in their lives. You don't know what's going to happen. Maybe the lawyer makes a deal.
Here,
These things get
y'all get something too.
Life is over. I don't come back from this. You know what happens in prison?
Look, 9 out of 10 cases against COs don't even go to trial.
Yeah.
Now you have choices. You have options.
That's your life. You want to go to college? It's paid for. Her father couldn't even get me on the job. But you, oh, you're that golden boy. You get to decide whether you want to live or die. You want to live? You walk out of here right now.
I told you. I'm walking us all out of here together.
You're an idiot. You got your whole life ahead of you. My whole life was my family, my wife. And she stabbed me right through the heart.
Gary, if I could take this day back, I would.
Now you can't. Too late.
Officer down, 1013.
I'm okay. Stop talking. I got a lot of luck. Get the EMTs in here now. Okay.
Get him in here now. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I need a clear room to hospital.
Get him in here. We got a gunshot. Get a compress.
Okay, it's okay. Hang in there, son. Hang in there. Hang in there. Hang in there.
wounds?
He took a bullet. How bad? Bad. There's a lot of blood. He was a gut shot, so they just took him to Lincoln Hospital.
Let's go. Lieutenant, are you all right?
No, we didn't search Munson, so I left his dots in there. So this is on me.
That was textbook and what not to say. Wow.
That's gonna leave a mark.
Sunday dinner has always been special. These days, it's just nice to have something to look forward to. Well, break out the good plates and tell the kids to wash up. Because it's Sunday dinner. Even if it isn't necessarily Sunday.
At Olive Garden, it's easier than ever to enjoy what you love from us in the comfort of your own home. Order and pay online. Choose from all your favorites. Then bring it all home with Carside Pickup. Only at Olive Garden.
COPD makes it hard to breathe. So to breathe better, I started once daily in oral. COPD tries to say go this way. I say I'll go my own way with an oral.
Once Daily Anoro contains 2 medicines called bronchodilators that work together to significantly improve lung function all day and all night. Do not use Anoro if you have asthma. Anoro won't replace rescue inhalers for sudden symptoms and should not be used more than once a day. Tell your doctor if you have a heart condition, high blood pressure, glaucoma, prostate, bladder, or urinary problems. These may worsen with Anoro. Call your doctor if you have worsened breathing, chest pain, mouth or tongue swelling, problems urinating, vision changes, or eye pain while taking Anoro. The most common side effects are sore throat, diarrhea, and pain in the arms and legs.
Ask your doctor about once daily Anoro to start treating your COPD.
We're here for you during this challenging time, and always find support at Anoro.com.
Every day is sweet when we're serving you blizzard treats. Like M&M's, cookie dough, and new Oreo fudge brownie. Thanks for being our fans for all these years. DQ, happy tastes good.
T-Mobile and Sprint have merged, and T-Mobile doesn't just have a bigger network, but a better one than ever before, with scam protection built into its core. Introducing Scam Share, free from T-Mobile. Get fewer scam